to my channel. So today I'm wearing a Jolly AF crew neck and I'm just so excited, you guys, like super crazy excited. Christmas is like my all-time favorite time of the year and I just love it. Like I'm so excited. I'm just feeling really jolly and yeah. Merry Christmas. You guys, I also decided that I want to do Vlogmas, but I'm kind of late. It's December 4th, so I'm a little late, but I want to do like a vlog every single day because I do have like a job and I have a lot going on at the moment, so I don't want to do like vlogs every single day because that's what it is typically. It's Vlogmas is where you vlog from December 1st all the way up until December 25th until Christmas, and you basically just vlog whatever you want. So I don't think I could commit to doing every single day, especially because I'm already late. Oops. So I want to do it my way instead, and I want to be able to film at least 1 to 2 times a week for you guys, and yeah, just so I won't be like overwhelmed or anything. And I'm still gonna do it, and it's just gonna be kind of my way. So it's not gonna be every single day, but it's gonna be once or twice a week until Christmas. And yeah, I'm just so excited, you guys. I can't wait. Like, love Christmas. This is my first time doing Vlogmas, by the way. So yeah. Alright guys, I'll be back. I'll see you soon. If you guys want to watch me get this like nice look, then just keep on watching, and I love you guys. Okay, so I don't know if you guys could tell, I have bangs now. I mean, obviously these little hairs that are sticking out, getting on my nerves. But they're like super brown and like blondish because I didn't know what was happening. I thought I was like I thought my roots were just growing out and I had really light hair, but it turns out like I was spraying like some peroxide thing on my face and then it kind of lightened like my roots and stuff, so I have to go dye my hair. So I need to go get some black hair dye, and so my bangs are like a little more blonde, like brownish. It just looks really funny. Yeah, I just need to turn on my straightener and then straighten them because they're sticking up and being weird. Okay, so I've been straightening them. I just kind of like to come from the top layer and then kind of straighten it and go downward like this. And then I just kind of like to spread them out like this. And they're really cute or whatever. I don't know if I'm over them yet. I kind of want to go back to having like longer bangs, but I just like to kind of switch it up, and like I don't know if I'm over it yet. So I'm just kind of rock the bangs for a little longer until I get tired of them. Which they kind of look weird right now because they're blonde, but